Good day, Madam, Sir. I'm Norlin Tahona, 45 years old, residing from Imus, Cavite. I'm second year college level. My height is 4'11" and weight at 59 kilos. I'm married and I have 3 kids, ages of 21, 20, and 18 years old. I know how to cook Filipino dishes, and I know all household working. I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. And I know also to take care of the baby. Because I have 3 kids, I take care until now. I am an ex-abroad. I worked before from Taiwan as caretaker and babysitter for 6 years old and 8 years old kids. I am also ex-abroad from UAE as domestic helper.
Please answer the following questions. Are you prepared to work with a family of more than 6 members?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to accept the non-working days arranged by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to extend your contract after 2 years?
I will, ma'am. Madam, Sir, if you hire me, I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper. Thank you.